In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT in the Bosnian language. Now, whether you want the text on ChatGPT to appear in Bosnian or whether you want ChatGPT to talk to you back in the Bosnian language, in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to be showing you exactly everything you need to do in order to make that happen. With that said, I do want to say that there is no official way to change the language to ChatGPT because as you can see on the left hand side here, there is no settings option, which means that ChatGPT is currently only available in English. With that said, I am using Google Chrome on a Windows PC, so if you're using a different browser device or operating system, the process might be a little bit different for you. In which case, I do recommend you to use Google Chrome no matter what device or operating system you're using, just to make sure that this does work, because I'm not sure whether any of the other browsers have this feature. So, once you're on ChatGPT, simply right-click anywhere on the screen, then click on Translate To. Now, in my case, it's English, so to add another language, click on the 3 dots, then click on Choose Another Language, then click on the little arrow, and find the Bosnian language, which is right on the top here. Then click on Translate, and once you've done that, the page will get translated into Bosnian. So, in order to actually get your output from ChatGPT in the Bosnian language, you don't really need to change anything. All you have to do is simply talk to ChatGPT in Bosnian, and it will revert back to you in the same language. This is only possible because ChatGPT can actually detect the language that you're using, and yeah, it's just going to speak to you in the same language. So, just to test this out, I did copy a phrase from Google, which I'm going to show you right now, and let's see what ChatGPT comes back with. Now, if it does give you an error like it did to me, simply refresh the page and try again. Sometimes it happens, I'm not sure why, but that's just how it is. So, within seconds, as you can see, ChatGPT is already coming back to me with an answer in Bosnian. I don't speak the language, but if you do, then you know what this says. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please do go ahead and leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll be more than happy to help.